Let's just go ahead and start with the component details first, and then we'll assemble the PC. So starting with the cabinet, we have this Cooler Master MB500 cabinet. This is RGB and this is available for 5,930 rupees only. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This is gonna be a Ryzen 7 2700X build. I have already made a Ryzen 2700X build that was for 2,50,000 rupees. This Ryzen 2700X build would be just for 1 lakh rupees. And for the processor, as I have already mentioned, this is Ryzen 7 2700X. This processor is available for 29,900 rupees only. For the motherboard, we have MSI X470 Gaming Plus. This is for 13,500 rupees only. For the graphic card, we have got MSI GTX 1060 6GB. This is dual fan and available for 27,999 rupees only. For the power supply, we have got Corsair CX750. This is 80 plus bronze certified and this is available for 6,900 rupees only. For the SSD, we have got Samsung 860 EVO M.2 and this is 250GB for 6,999 rupees only. For the RAM, we have got G.Skill Ripjaws V. This is a 16GB kit 8x2 and this is 3200 MHz. The price for this Ripjaws RAM is 17,500 rupees only. And for the storage, we have got WD 1TB blue hard drive. This is for 3,000 rupees only. So that's about the component for this build. It would be approx 1 lakh rupees build, and let's start with the assemble process. The CPU fan heatsink comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you really don't have to add additional thermal paste. Alright, so we are done with the PC build and it is running absolutely fine. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box below. I would love to answer them. Also follow me on Instagram. All the product link would be in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out the live price, and if you wish to purchase any of them, you can. That's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.